Welcome to YouTube. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling small cars of 2025, the Mini Cooper S 3-door hatchback with the John Cooper Works JCW pack, finally available in India. Let's start with the design. From the moment you see it, the Mini Cooper S JCW pack grabs your attention with its aggressive styling. The 3-door silhouette remains iconic, but with the JCW pack, it's a whole new vibe. You get sportier bumpers, bold side skirts, JCW-specific rear spoiler, and 17-inch track-spoke black alloy wheels that complete the hot hatch look. Finished in midnight black metallic, this car looks stealthy and powerful, especially with contrasting red accents and JCW badging. Under the hood, it's all performance. The 2.0-liter TwinPower Turbo petrol engine pumps out 192 horsepower and 280 Nm of torque, mated to a 7-speed DCT gearbox. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.7 seconds, delivering a go-kart-like driving experience, sharp steering, tight handling, and pure driving fun. With the JCW tuning, throttle response feels sportier, and the exhaust note has that raspy pop that enthusiasts love. Now step inside, and the cabin is a blend of retro charm and modern tech. The circular infotainment display is surrounded by LED ambient lighting, which changes color with drive modes. With the JCW pack, you get sport seats in dynamical leather with red stitching, JCW steering wheel with paddle shifters, and stainless steel pedals. A heads-up display, Harman Kardon sound system, panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone climate control round out the premium features. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Mini Cooper S JCW pack includes 6 airbags, a rear camera, park assist, dynamic traction control, and run-flat tires, all adding to a secure and stable ride. Priced at around Rupee 46 to 48 lakh on road in India, it's a luxury performance hatch for those who love driving and want to stand out. It's not for everyone, but that's the point. This is for the enthusiasts. So if you're looking for a stylish, fast, and compact performance car with real personality, the 2025 Mini Cooper S JCW pack should be at the top of your list.